Hello and welcome to another episode of rsglamrush channel. And in this video, I'll be talking about another sheet mask. Yeah, from last few months, I have been in love with sheet masks. If you haven't seen my Nybae 10 sheet mask haul, selective 10 sheet mask haul, then do check it out. All the links will be given in the description box below and will be linked at the I button above. So do check that out. And from the whole, whatever sheet masks you see, I think around 4-5 sheet masks I already have reviewed, and I've shown how they are used, and all the variants I have shown how the reviews about the products and talk details about it. So you can check that out. You can check what are the effects it did for avocado sheet mask, red wine sheet mask, there was caviar sheet mask, and there was ginseng. I think a lot of sheet masks I have already reviewed in the channel. Some links will be given in the I button and some will be linked in the description box. And today I'll be talking about not from the brand of Nybae but sheet masks from Nybae. Nybae has came up with a huge makeup range. Those contains a very good products, and they also came up with a lot of good skin cares, and I am really loving with this packaging. It's really adorable, gives us New York vibes, and it says that it brings you the New York vibes into your New York runway style. I have done videos on Nybae products, and mainly the Nybae lip crayon, like it says bullet lipstick, and the liquid lipstick haul. You must check it out. The links will be given in the description box and will be linked here. I did a huge haul on Nybae, but unfortunately you won't be getting this product in that haul because I haven't bought this with that haul. This is after I used all those products from Nybae. I have purchased this to see how this Nybae skin fitted brightening sheet mask works. That says with truffle, helps reduce wrinkles, smoothens fine lines, brightens the skin, formulated in Korea. So the lines, the claims are too good, and I really love the claim, so I bought it. So now in this video I will be trying this out and sharing with you that whether this is worthy of the money they say or not. The price ₹99 and content of the serum inside is 20 ml, and it has an expiry of shelf life of 2 years. Freshly manufactured in November 2019 and has expiry in November 2021. It also says the mask you have inside as simple with any sheet mask. You have to apply it in clean face and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently massage the remaining essence on your skin, and first we'll get into the packaging because that is the best thing to do, to read the packaging and to understand what the ingredients it has, which you're going to apply on the skin. If you're allergic to any ingredient or not, then you should read the packaging first. Then we will go and use this product and show you the visible result on the camera. Before using this product, I will just go quickly and wash off my makeups and remove everything, and then show you how it works on my skin type. So let's get started with this video. What I felt after using this product, that first of all it is like made for the claim on this packages of that it helps reducing the wrinkles, and this is the brightening sheet mask, so it will be brightening your skin tone or skin type, because in one use of a sheet mask skin tone cannot be bright. That it helps and reduce wrinkles, smoothens fine lines, and brightens the skin up. So this with the white taffel one, which is the variant of this, so you can see. So the packaging first of all is too cute. It has this New York vibes, and as this is a New York Bay collection, packaging quality is too good. It is a recyclable packaging, and obviously Nybae is an organic and is the packaging is quite recyclable, and also like they are cruelty free brand, so that is quite good. They doesn't contain any harmful chemicals into them. People who has sensitive skin type can go with this, because the sheet marks they had, like I used this is the cotton sheet marks, a pure cotton sheet marks. Obviously sheet marks is just one time use, so this is a cotton one. The cutouts are really good, except the area on the leaf, which I feel should be a little more having the cutout. That is very less, because I do have broad leaves. That is something only I felt. Else, it is of cotton, so that is good for sensitive skin type. Can also use it, no problem in using it. First of all, as the claims, I felt after using once of this product, the pricing, I think I forgot to say the pricing. The pricing of this is 99 rupees and has a shelf life of 2 years, freshly manufactured in November 2019 and has expiry is November 21. The net volume of the serum contained inside this is 20 ml, and obviously a cotton sheet marks. So first of all, I felt the skin feels so really soft, and the left serum that gives you this healthy and glowing up skin, and I felt the softness I can feel with my hand, and from the first use. So you can just understand if you use it second time and purchase it again, because I just wanted to give it a try, and this was my first use with Nybae Sheetmask. I feel they are really soft, and they have made really soft and really good. I am looking forward to purchase another, and I felt that it gave the glow. You can see I was literally wanting such a sheet marks to apply on my skin for quite long, because I thought that like a new product, and I don't know how it would work, and it works really good. I can feel the brightness, but it is not, I should not say it a fair effect or fairness, but whatever skin tone you have, you will get some brightness, a clear effect of your skin, and also the tightness of your pores. I have some open pore issue on this area of my skin, which I feel that it completely helps, like shrinkage the pore, and the skin obviously felt really soft. So for me, this product gets 8 out of 10. I really like the product, and really looking forward to use a lot more of Nybae products. Now if you're someone who really are going to use something sheet marks, and your skin is not in a good condition, you need good nutrition on your skin, then you can definitely go with this Nybae sheet marks, or you can also go with the Tony Moly sheet marks. They are also really good. They have a wide variety of sheet marks according to the skin issues you have. So I have reviewed some of them, so you can check all in the description box below, at the I button above, and on the screen sheet marks playlist on the channel. And I felt this product was really has worked for me. I can really feel the soft and generous ones. You can go for like using once in a week. If your skin is not in a good condition, you can also go with twice a week. I prefer going once in 15 days, and I feel my skin is quite in a healthier side now, so I can go for once in a 15 days. It's one sheet marks in 15 days, 2 sheet marks in a month, or when I'm going with very rushing and very lifestyle, and then I get so much tired skin, so I go once in every week, so that makes me healing the skin, like giving some nutrition to your skin. So yeah, I do really like the product. If you are interested to give some nutrition on your skin, then definitely you can go with Nybae products. Now availability of Nybae products are not available everywhere, mostly outdoor or local markets. It is not available till now. You will get them in Purple and also Amazon, Flipkart. They have all these products, so you will also definitely might get some discounts on them too. And in many other websites, in Instagram shops and many other websites is selling Nybae product. You can also purchase them from the Nybae website. So you can go and grab it here and grab the variant from the skin issue you have. So this was the brightening one, so you can grab the skin issues you have or the issue you wanted to cope up with the sheet mask. So I really do like the sheet mask a lot. So hope you have liked the video. If you felt it a little helpful for yourself, please like it, and it encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share it with all your friends, mainly with the girls, to use the sheet mask. Yet like sheet mask can be used by anyone, and do comment us below your opinion regarding this video, any other video content you wanted us to make, or any other video topics you wanted us to make, product reviews you wanted us to make. You can write us below in the comment section. We'll try to fulfill it as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video by clicking the bell icon beside it, and also on the all notification button on the bell icon. So yeah, that was all for this video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy.